Hey, how's it going? It's me, David Griffin. It is March 1st, 2025, and this is my update on my CML leukemia. So, I stopped taking my pill November 8th, and I just had my second round of blood work done, and I am still in remission, and my regular blood work is normal. I think my bun creatine was a little high, probably from eating too much meat and drinking too many teas or something. But um, hopefully the next time I do the round of blood that comes down a little bit. I think it was only 24, and I think anything above 20 is a little high, so not a big deal. But anyways, I guess I started working about 7 months ago. I got a job as a real estate agent here in Southwest Florida, and so that's been going really well, and I've been enjoying it. So, um, I guess what have I been eating? I've changed my diet to more like a carnivore keto diet. So I do zero sugar, zero carbs. I do a little bit of carbs, like almond crackers once in a while, and then of course vegetables, and then some fruits. Like I'll have a few grapes or some blueberries, but nothing crazy. Um, so, anyways, let's take a look. So I eat a lot of salmon and broccoli, and I also enjoy chicken Alfredo with no pasta, of course, and more salmon with broccoli, and a roast, beef roast, and broccoli, a salad with a little avocado mayo, about 4 eggs, some kimchi, some sauerkraut, avocado, more meat, and burgers, and of course no bread. More fish with some veggies, and more broccoli, and more steak. And there's my almond crackers I snack on once in a while, just a few of them. Here's all my supplements. And there's some of my tea additives. I like herbal additives that I put in my herbal teas. So it doesn't really matter what time of the day. For breakfast, sometimes I eat fish. For lunch, I'll eat breakfast. It just pretty much is all carnivore keto, lots of protein, and then of course I run every day. I use the hot sauna. I go out in the sun every single day for at least an hour, and yep, I do as much as I can to stay healthy, and I rest at least 8 hours a day. Um, so that's my regimen.